and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time here, you are so welcome. So today we are still in Ghana, and today I'm taking you guys on a tour around a poultry farm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'm in Ghana, all thanks to truemamle. I'm going to link her channel in the description box. It's all thanks to her. Today I'm in Ghana and I'm filming videos. Oh my god guys, we are going international already. So I'm really happy, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So while I was filming this video and I was discussing with the owner of the poultry farm, he told me this business is very profitable, but before you do like poultry farming, you have to learn a lot about it. You cannot just go into poultry farming and think you are going to make a lot of money. You have to do research, but if you cannot do it yourself, you can like hire somebody who knows a lot about birds, and trust me, you are going to make a lot of money. And what he does here is mainly he rears like layers. He's doing this farm mainly for eggs, but you can do it for like eating as well, but these chickens are mainly for eggs. So I'll be taking you guys to different birds, like bigger ones, smaller ones, and everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much.